Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
So now, go to the Events tab. So no event got triggered. Why? Because we have to trigger this event. We have to refresh this identity. But before doing that, we will check it quickly whether any trigger snapshot has been added or not. So go to identity, Suresh Reddy profile. Here you could see. So this time we have a lengthy trigger snapshot from here to here. So I could see some event as well called native change. I'm not sure why, but I'm going to refresh this identity quickly. So I'm going to execute the same task, refresh ID.
Quick question. Something like this, where if you go, I mean, you don't have to go back to where it says pending. Something like this will pending like this for a longer period of time. What will be the scenario?
So you mean to say we have refreshed the task, even got triggered, but it's not responding. It's in progress, correct?
Yeah, it's in progress or pending. What will be...
You're talking about the event, right? The workflow launched.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. In that scenario, we have to wait for a couple of hours. If it is not responding, then we have to terminate the event manually. Okay. And again, we have to follow the legacy process either, or we have to trigger the event manually.
Got it. Okay. I wonder if there was something else. Okay.
Okay. So here you could see 2 event has been processed this time. We have made some changes on the leaver event, but 2 event got triggered. Now go to user profile and we'll refresh. So the NCD also triggered. See, for this user, leaver event got triggered because due to this value got changed, inactive from false to true. So all accounts will get disabled. And same way, we have removed these domain computer groups from the target system. So now this workflow has been launched called leaver Suresh Reddy. So you can check the status from task results. As I'm audible?
Yeah.
So once the leaver workflow will be completed, all of these access will get deleted. So mover and rehire, you can try from your end. So that's all about JML events. Now let's talk about NCD events. So for Active Directory, we have some exception because based on the Active Directory, user is going to log into its system, right? So we won't delete Active Directory application access on day 1. Okay. So on day 1, we will disable the account, which means user cannot log into the system. But access will remain, access will exist. Basically, we are going to log this account. So after certain days, like after 5 days or 10 days, all the privileges will be removed. Whatever access permission, access we have granted, we will remove. Basically, all the entitlement rules will remove. And day 60th or day 120th, the account will be deleted.
So if the what do you mean by account deleted? It will be deleted from Sailpoint or Sailpoint entities like identities.
You're talking about Active Directory application, right?
Okay.
So day 1, the account will be disabled. Is my screen visible? Okay. Day 1, the account will be disabled. To disable the account, we will write some code in the workflow level.
Okay.
On day 5, so all of his member of the group will be removed. On day 60th or day 120th, the account will be deleted. If the account doesn't exist, which means he cannot do anything, right?
Okay.
If account is disabled, at least after certain days, if he's going to rejoin the company, we can enable this account, right? We can reset the password, we can enable the account. For Active Directory, we have this exception. All over the project, I have noticed.
Okay. So when the account will be deleted from Sailpoint, the identities table, like Sailpoint will not have its data, right? This employee data, right? If
So
they are
whenever the
moving.
aggregation is going to happen, Sailpoint will deduct, right? Okay, this AD account got disabled. Then it will update in the application accounts. So here it will update.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.